Hi everybody, it's Glenn here again with the second part of video number 8 of pulling everything together now. In this video I'm going to show you how we edit the front end menu so we link to all your sub niches. So just as a quick reminder, you saw in an earlier video where we talked about our New York City directory and we had all of these categories and we quickly browsed for all of them. I'm going to add the additional keyword of hotel in New York to this, and I'm going to link to the directory that we've just created. So first thing we need to do is to locate our original directory front end. Now when you look at your system, you unpack it, you'll see admin, images folder and directory front end. This is one we want to edit. At the moment it's just an index.html. Obviously you may well want to have some text and some graphics on there as well. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to open that with the, well, it says Microsoft Office 2003 component, what we really mean is front page 2003. So open that in front page. I'm going to pause the video here while it loads. Okay, here we are, it's completely uploaded now, so what we need to do is to add our keyword in the right place. We're going to do this alphabetically. H, for locksmiths. So then type in our text. For some reason it's not made the text rather large. Which we don't want 18 point what we need. Just see up there. So next thing to do is to actually size it so that it fits into the rest of your pages. But if you can change them all, you can sit and highlight them all. So go for a highlight enough. Next thing I need to do is to actually hyperlink that is make a link between the text here and the index file that you find in your directory. So let me show you what I mean. When we uploaded this, when the admin folder, if I was to go up and refresh the screen, I need to do it if I was to refresh the screen, you'll see a large number of folders created now. This is where all the websites are edited. So I've created one, so if we click into that, you'll see the individual websites for individual hotels, mobile sites, which is why this system is so powerful, because if you do decide to say Bowery Hotel, decide that their own customized directory, their own customized mobile site, you can simply edit this existing one or create a brand new one and drop it in, and the directory will carry on working as normal, except that Bowery Hotel will have their own customized mobile site. So that makes this pretty cool. So what we need to do is link to the index page here. Now notice that I've got your privacy, our services, contact us and about us page, which means that there's an empty record in the original database, or probably a blank line at the end of it. Not that it makes any difference because it's still built everything else that we need, so that's fine. So what we need to do is to link to this individual index page, and that will then allow us to link directly from the front page. So this is what we do. We highlight all the text, minimize this slightly so it's in the screen. Too much. Mobile phones. So the symbol that we traditionally use in HTML editors is a picture of a chain link. So we highlight the text, we click on the insert hyperlink button, which then allows us to enter the file that we want to link to. So what you need to do now is put the file name that we have on the server, which is hyphen in hyphen u hyphen York. /index.html. It's not absolutely necessary for the index.html because web browsers know to automatically search for the index files, HTML being one of them. But it's this line here. Remember in the earlier video we talked about naming the folder and getting organised? Well, this is the name of the folder you use again. So I'm going to OK that, and now you'll see that it is hyperlinked. Next thing we need to do is to upload that to our server, so I'm going to save that first of all. Now bearing in mind that I'm actually uploading to an empty folder apart from Hotel in New York, the rest of these are not going to work. Now you might have noticed that this hasn't got hyphens between. This is just purely text, but it's the link within the text that needs to be hyphenated if you used hyphens previously, or sometimes no spaces at all. So it'll be Hotel in New York, no spaces. Okay, so we'll save that. I'm then going to go back to my original website. I'm going to go up one directory level. So you just see the one file at Hotel in New York, that's the one we'll link to. I'm going to go to my front page on the other side of the screen. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for more front end. Directory front end, which the file was just edited, and we upload that to the server and give that a moment or two. Now it's completely uploaded, so let's see the result of that. And then this is where we came to, so I'm simply going to go back a few places. There's our directory. I'm going to go back one more level. What I'm doing, folks, is off the screen. I'm just going to remove the last part of the address to see what here. And now you can see the Hotel in New York. Now you know it's working instantly because it's changed colour. So let's click on that. And that then brings us back to where we started from, which is what we wanted. Okay, so as you work, you'll be adding more and more of these listings to your directory front end with their own subfolders, etc. And you'll be linking to all of them. If I was to click on any one of these at the moment, they'd fail because I've only uploaded the Hotel in New York on this particular server. I wanted to show you what it will look like when you first started from scratch, but also what it will look like when you start adding more and more data as you go along. So, you know, the couple much, I mean, very comprehensive directory. Don't go too fast though, because the one thing you don't want to do is get too much business coming your way and have no way of servicing it. So start slowly, build your business slowly, make sure you've got all the resources to handle new customers, and then when you've got everything sorted out, you're happy, you can then think about outsourcing and then growing your business completely. Okay, this is Glenn Leader signing off for the local community control videos. Hope you find these videos useful, and I wish you a very prosperous business. Thank you very much.